What would you say if I tell you through direct contact, the free radicals in your body could be neutralized, which immediately reduces chronic inflammation? Sometimes we as humans have a great thing going for us, but we don't realize it and it slips from our grasp. Why are autoimmune diseases like MS going up without a seeming end in sight? Throughout history, people were absorbing Earth's energy naturally. Our ancestors were always in direct contact with the Earth's surface. When hunting, collecting food, and just relaxing, they walked barefoot, or a little later, in shoes made of animal skin, and slept on the floor or on sleeping mats made of skins. Almost everything they did was in direct contact with the earth. And we don't need to look that far back in history. The big shift happened in the 1960s. That's when most shoe soles were made of leather and then started to be made of synthetic materials. When Chooser asked me about my thoughts about earthing, I'll admit I didn't think much about it, and I was a little bit skeptical. Boy, was I wrong. Hey, it's Steve. Earth and grounding are two words for the same set of techniques used to reconnect us to the electrical properties of the earth. All biological cells, animals, plants, and yes, even the ones that make up our bodies are connected to the electrical matrix of the earth. The earth has an abundance of negatively charged free electrons that, when our bodies are connected with it, provide antioxidant and immunological benefits. Can earthing battle MS? Well, it's documented it fights inflammation, but I see the word inflammation as a blanket term. I focus on the specifics that relate directly to MS. I decided I couldn't just read about it. I needed to try it out for myself. I told you I was skeptical about the hype, but I wasn't going to dismiss it right away until I tried it. I have told you before about reactive oxygen species, free radicals, and how they perpetuate our MS. It is the electrons from antioxidant molecules that neutralize those free radicals that are involved in our body's immune and inflammatory responses. So the goal is to reach a healthy balance with these antioxidants. They carry free electrons to neutralize the free radicals and stop oxidative damage. While a healthy plant and lean meat diet contain a high percentage of antioxidants that help you a lot in preventing MS, we already have MS, and they might not always affect the fight of oxidation in your favor as much as you might think once you have MS. So why not using the most important source of free electrons from which all of our food and all of our life comes from, the Earth itself. The Earth's surface is full of free electrons that can be easily absorbed by the human body. When the body is connected with the Earth's direct current, the body's electrons are protected from interference anywhere from 50 to 60 hertz induced by the body's voltage. Shielding by grounding always allows the body to have all of the electrons available to perform the normal functions in the body, including stabilizing excess free radicals. To accomplish this, I achieve it during sleep. I purchased a grounding mat kit. It's simple enough. I place the mat with the grounding cord and plug it into the electrical outlet next to my bed. Don't worry, it doesn't have an electrical charge. In fact, it's the opposite. There's only one plug and it plugs directly into the grounding jack of the socket, and the mat is negatively charged at that point. Personally, I feel it. I know it's directly attacking the reactive oxygen species molecules that I talked about. And I know it plays a huge part in developing multiple sclerosis. And now that I have had it for decades, MS that is, I can feel the effects. The flow of electrons from the Earth to the body, as a result, is a reduction in inflammation that has been well documented using infrared imaging and white blood cell counts. It is now known that grounding helps protect collateral damage to healthy tissue near an injury. In our case, that tissue being myelin. Grounding is a shockingly simple way to reduce inflammation and to improve your sleep. The effects of the electron transfer from the Earth's surface into the human body are well studied, and the impact of healing, performance, and myelin restoration is profound. Do you have any questions about it? Are you using a grounding mat yourself? If you are, what are your thoughts? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.